Welcome to Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Veerlyn, and today we're going to be doing a general reading for my Leos for November 2018. Now, when I say general reading, guys, I'm going to cover your love, your career, your soul story for November 2018. I am going off-grid tomorrow, guys, to connect with Mother Nature and get in tuned with her because I am doing your videos for 2019. Yes, your yearly videos. So I shall have them posted very soon if you want to subscribe and stay tuned for that. All right, so let's just jump into it. On the 7th of November, you have a new moon in Scorpio. All right, welcome a new chapter. Perhaps some of you guys that are looking for a new home, okay? Maybe you'll see that change with buying a house, that application for the apartment going through, okay? Maybe some of you guys are becoming parents, and that'll be the time that you're going to hear that, okay? New moon in Scorpio. On the 8th, Jupiter is entering Sagittarius, okay? So you might see one of your hobbies perhaps turn into a business, okay? Jupiter is the planet of luck, expansion, abundance, making a change in Sagittarius, okay, where it will remain there until December 2019, on the 3rd to be exact. All right, on the 8th, or I'm sorry, yes, that was Jupiter on the 8th. On the 15th, you have Mars is entering Pisces. So your sex life might be linked with your emotions during that time because you're going to have a very masculine energy, okay, in a very feminine Pisces. All right, on the 16th, you have kind of a crazy day going on, and it affects everybody, not just you guys, all right? Mercury is going retrograde in Sagittarius. Same day, Venus is going direct in Libra. So it kind of like, I almost want to say counteracts each other. Okay, so your business and your relationships will be a little bit more comfortable because Venus is going direct in Libra. But with Mercury going retrograde in Sagittarius, perhaps you really are going to see if that the truth and your relationships, business or emotional, really do serve you, because those retrogrades, guys, don't be scared of them. They are just time for us to look back, make sure we are staying on our life goals, our calling, and what we're doing during that time serves us. Okay, and if not, let it go, okay, because it doesn't serve you guys. On the 23rd, we have a full moon in Gemini, okay? This could bring about a lot of networking for you. Maybe somebody might call out of the blue, one of your old friends, invites to holiday, family gatherings, or business oriented. There's going to be a lot of invites during that time as we all really get, 'tis the season, yes? All right, I said this was a card reading. I always like to go over the planets and the new moons, what's going on, because it does play out in the cards. It leaves a general feeling and energy that some of us are aware of and some of us are not. We have the King of Wands. So you're going to have to be firm about your passions, Leo. What is it that inspires you? Your inspirations, your dreams. What makes you feel good? What do you seek for? You're going to have to really put down your foot in things that, kind of set the rules. Therefore, people know, hey, this is very important to me. Make sure that you give me this time that I need to express myself, whether it's hobbies, rituals, your beliefs, your career, your education. You say, hey, that's what I'm passionate about, so I'm going to really lay down the law, okay? Become the king of my inspiration, so to say, King of Wands, all right? Don't let anybody stop you, okay? And you have a strong presence in there because you can see on the back there is... What is there back there? There are lions, guys. There is lions on his throne. All right. Okay, and we have the 9 of Pentacles. All right, so for me, this could be the Jupiter in Sagittarius. Okay, your hobbies perhaps turning into something profitable, landing more freelance projects, maybe a promotion, being really comfortable financially is what this card ultimately resembles. Maybe this is you finding that apartment and being comfortable, finding that new home, or maybe even waiting till the time is right. All right. Okay, so I love that. I'm not really feeling too much relationship growth in this reading as much as your passions, how you feel comfortable, your home life. Oh my. Sorry about that. Let me get down here. I had one jump out, and it's funny because I was saying I'm not seeing too much of your love life. I'm not seeing too much emotional relationship side. The 2 of Cups just flew out, went underneath the desk. So obviously this is a message that is being jumped out to you guys. You know, the 2 of Cups doesn't always resemble love life. This is definitely, they say, the true lover's card, because you could see it's a young lad and a young woman holding 2 cups and making a contract, perhaps exchanging vows. This could also be business too, landing a new job, being accepted somewhere as a member in a group. Okay, this is a change, a union, people who think the same thoughts as you. And I want to point out, guys, what also do you see in this picture? A lion, my Leo. You are jumping up in this photo a lot, and I really feel like you just want to make yourself comfortable in a home life, but also seek out your passions and stay strong. All right, guys, I love this. Now I'm also going to pull 1 from the fairies this month and 1 from the angels too as well. All right, let's just go with it. All right, comment below. I love hearing from you guys. You can also, my email is below if you guys want to reach out for a reading. If you want to book a reading, I do FaceTime, over the phone, quick email ones. This is the card that jumps out from the fairies. Express your individuality. Allow your true self to shine. Become your, because you're awesome. I'm sorry. Because you're awesome. I'm reading this from far away. Allow your true self to shine because you're awesome. And you know you are, Leo. You guys are strong. I love my Leos. Every time, for some reason, I'm a Virgo, and every time I meet a Leo, I'm just so drawn to their passions, how they display themselves in a crowd and really draw attention. That's why you guys need to stick by your passions, okay? They're very inspiring to people who are watching you. Woo! All right. Shout out to David. Thanks for watching. All right, and everybody else who has been watching me. You know, I feel like I don't have a strong Leo following, so change my mind. Hit a thumbs up, subscribe, share one of my videos, all right? You got some fellow Leo friends? Let them know. I love reading to you guys. Oh my. All right, awakening. Look at things from a different perspective, a temporary standstill. It's important to be yourself. It is. It very much is so important that, and I mean, the angels definitely back that up with this card. It is very important that you be yourself. I know I giggle because a lot of people think that I'm kooky and I'm weird and I play by my own rules, and it is, but you know what, when I do so, it makes me happy. You know, and when I truly don't care what people think, it makes me happy. And it will for you guys too. Be that King of Wands, my Leo. Put your foot down. Don't let anybody come in between you and your calling and your passions and your inspirations in life. Okay? You will have the 9 of Pentacles come to you, and you will have people of similar interests, and it will better your relationships because you do so. Alright? Don't be a pushover. Alright, guys. I think this pretty much concludes our reading for November 2018. Now, like I said, I will have your yearly readings for November 2019 posted pretty soon. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to record them actually tomorrow. So I'm going to be, for the year, you'll be able to get your animal spirit. I'll be pulling one from, I believe, the native spirits, as well as you guys. It kind of, when I really set up things and I channel in your energy, it'll really come to me which decks I'm going to be using, but I know I will be doing your animal spirit for the year for sure. Alright, guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Vera Lynn, and you guys have a beautiful November and embrace your passions.